Hello, my name is Nina. I'm a Google product expert, and in this video, you will learn how to turn on and off automated features in Google Meet. So let's get started. As the Google Meet host or event organizer, you are in control to automate how take notes, transcribe, and Meet recordings work for the conference you're hosting. There's no one button set up for each meeting, so some groups would prefer to have automated features enabled and some others would prefer them to be turned off. How do you switch? When you first create Google Meet in Google Calendar, there are meeting records for the features I just listed. These are the transcript, take notes with Gemini, and recording, and you can select them. So when you start the meeting, they will work automatically for your guests and participants. When you open Google Meet on your desktop, the meeting will be there as initially set up, and you can open it to double check and prepare the meeting for the functionalities you will need for the certain group, like turning on viewers only feature or adding whiteboards and add-ons, turning on questions and answers. So have the setting up prepared, same as in a real conference room. You would maybe need some Google Meet hardware preparation as well. Open the landing page and you will notice that Meet will record, transcribe, and take notes. As expected, since you already set this to start automatically. When you start the meeting, you will see the icons of the note-taking, Gemini feature, transcript, and record on the upper corners of the meeting. What happens if you need to turn this feature off for the corresponding meeting due to some changes in decision-making or management reasons or security reasons? You need to switch quickly. You open your landing page and go to the meeting records as you remember seeing them, but they are not Meet host controls. There's nothing there. So how do you turn these features off? You can still start the meeting and turn this manually. Turn off stop taking notes, stop recording. You will receive email notifications about problems with taking notes. This is working as expected. Do you need a consistent solution? Because if you, for the next meeting, you open the same meeting, it will still be set up automatically. You see me take notes, record, and transcribe. How you are now turning into rounds. See how many notes I generated while turning them off each time I start a meeting. I need some constant solution to turn these automated features off for this meeting in future. And the only way you can do it is return to your calendar where you initially set up the automated features in Google Meet. Click the edit icon and then click the gear icon. Now it will display the meeting records for you. You can deselect, so Google Meet will not take notes, will not transcribe, and will not record. And you can save this. Next time you open the meeting, you see there's only a prompt reminding you that if you still wish some automation, you can turn it manually. When you start meetings on your computer directly from Google Meet, ad hoc meetings, recording, transcript, and taking notes manually turned on from inside the meeting. And the system keeps these settings by default for your following meeting. When you next time join, the landing page will inform you whether the notes started when you join, or if you stopped note taking, stopped recording, and stopped transcribe, you will see this display that there's nothing to start and join. To start this manually, always check the recent user interface in Google Meet. 80% of the success in meetings is a direct result from the atmosphere, and you have a great tool like backgrounds to create the atmosphere your participants wish to experience and benefit the goals of their meetings. On the landing page, use the question mark to go to the help documentation by Google Training and Guides. You can always send feedback that is directly received by a member of the Google Meet team, even if you don't receive an answer, and you will not receive an answer, but rest assured that a member of the team is reading it. And remember that at work, your Google administrator is in control of every feature from the Google Meet service. Ask them to create an uniform experience for a department that needs automation all the time, or they can use Access Group and turn off Gemini for other departments and groups. Next time, we will look into the new Google Chat feature that are continuous chat messages enabled again from Google Calendar. Thank you for your attention.